Hey guys, ever had that super thick creamy rabri and thought I could never make this? Today we are making it together and I promise it's easy, no stress, just good vibes and dessert. It takes patience, no skill. Let's get started. First pro tip, add 2 tablespoons water to your heavy bottom pan. This stops the milk from sticking and burning. Now pour 1.5 liter full fat milk. That's the key. Don't go skim here. Bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, reduce the flame to low. Let the milk simmer until it reduces approximately to half the original quantity. We are gonna hang out here for a bit. We want this milk to reduce to half. Low and slow is the Rabri mantra. Alright, see this. After a few minutes, a cream layer, we call it malai, forms on top. Don't mix it in. Take your spoon and gently push it to the side of the pan. Stick it there. It's like building Rabri walls. Give the milk one quick stir at the bottom so it doesn't burn. Then wait. Now we just repeat. Cream forms. Push it to the side. Stick it up. Stir once. Keep doing this every time you see that layer. You are basically collecting all the goodness on the sides of the pan. This is what makes Rabri thick and luscious. No rush. Just hang out with your milk for 45 to 60 minutes and you will have yummy dessert. Rabri is basically milk that we slow cook until it thicks and creamy. The trick is to not stir the cream back in while it cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribing to our channel. Once the milk is half and you have got all those creamy layers on the side, time for flavor. 1/4 cup sugar goes in. Taste and adjust. 1.5 teaspoon cardamom powder. If you want, add saffron, rose water or kewra for that good smell and almond plus pistachios for crunch. That's it. Now scrape down all those creamy balls you made and mix them back in. That's the real Rabri texture right there. Top with sliced almonds and pistachios. Chill it for a few hours and look at this. Thick, creamy, sweet and tastes like a festival in a bowl. If I can do this, you totally can. Tag me if you are try it. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.